everyone, this is Lakshmi Prasanna from 9th class. She is my teammate Drakshani from 9th class. We are studying ZPHS Mava. First of all, we thank to of India Department of School Education, Niti Aayog and Atal Mission to giving this valuable platform to express our own ideas about kinds of problems.
Unlock door using FD device problem statement. The need for enhanced security and easy access control is homes and offices had led to the development of various electronic locking mechanisms. Traditional locks can be vulnerable to hacking, theft and misplacement of keys, leading of security issues and inconvenience. Our project aims to solve this problem by creating an automated and secure door locking system that uses an FT fingerprint decision device. This system will allow authorized user to unlock doors with just their fingerprint, improving security and convenience while climating the need for physical keys. While analyzing common security systems used in homes and business, we observed several limitations in the exciting methods such as key-based system. Keys can be easily lost, stolen or copied. Compromising security card-based systems, ID cards or RFID tags can also. Thank you for giving this opportunity.